right, so to do this assignment, it's a health promotion one. So health promotion allows individuals, the community, and the government to identify health risks and make positive changes at three different levels of involvement. So you have the individual involvement, the community involvement, and societal. This is a positive approach for early childhood programs that allows educators to advocate for high quality early childhood programs on all three levels. So for this assignment, you will basically find three newspaper or magazine articles related to health issues that are currently appearing in the media. There's tons on COVID right now, so they should be easy to find. For each article, you're going to give a brief 1 to 2 paragraph summary of the article. So you're basically telling me what the article is about so I don't have to read it. Well, I'll still have to read it, but it's only 1 to 2 paragraphs. You need to provide either the article itself, like take a picture of it and put it in your document, or you can just give me the URL, whichever works. Your paragraph summaries need to be written in your own words. Next, using the health promotion action plan discussed in pages 48 to 52 of the textbook. If you don't have one, the pages are copied in the D2L material. Discuss options and or brainstorm possibilities of what actions could take place at each of the three levels. So the three levels are individual, community, and societal, right? So, and you have to do it in those orders. So the first one needs to be individual, the next one needs to be community, and the next one is societal. So you have to do it in order to make a change or prevent this from occurring again. Discuss at least 2 strategies and how they could be implemented at each of the 3 levels. Be specific and as detailed as possible. How you will be rated is you need to provide 3 articles. If you just talk about the articles and don't give me the link or the clip, then you won't get any grades. So please do. It's the easy 3 marks. Each article is worth 8 marks per article times 3, so that works out to 24. You need to include a summary, suggestions or strategies to be implemented at each of the 3 levels, so 6. So 2 marks per level, and you'll also be marked on spelling and grammar. So use a word checker, spell checker, something like that to make sure that your spelling and grammar is good, and that's for 3 marks. And the total is 30. So hopefully that answers your question for you. If it doesn't, send me another email and I'll try to be more clear for you. Good luck.